Hey guys, it's Mrs. Irvin. I am going to do a little Zoom tutorial for you guys because I want to make sure you can get on to Zoom on Tuesday. I'm going to show you how to do it with my homeroom period 9 code, which is not the code for your class, but at least you can kind of see what I'm doing. So I'm giving you the hyperlink. In an ideal world, you'll click it, you'll go to it, and you'll get into my meeting. Oh, there I am. Okay, that's the ideal world. Let me end it. Sometimes, though, the world is not ideal. And so if it doesn't work, you're going to need to go to zoom.us. So you just launch Zoom. All you're going to do is click Join a Meeting. And it tells you you need a meeting ID, which you're going to have. I'm emailing you your IDs. Now this again is for my 9th period class, for my homeroom, but it'll work for our purposes. So I'm going to copy and I'm going to paste that into join a meeting. Paste, join. Okay, I'm not sure why it didn't ask for my code. It should have asked for that code. All right, well, regardless, if you go in and it asks you for the code, when you hit join a meeting and it wants a code, you will enter this as your passcode, okay? That's how you get into Zoom. It's all going to be great. Every single class period has a different code. This is just for my 9th period 137 check-in. So the rest of the classes, I will be emailing you your code and you will be able to get in. Okay? Thanks for your patience. I will see you on Tuesday in Zoom.